This is Don Magruder from Around the House, and we're starting a series called Quick and Easy Projects for Around the House. These projects will be quick, easy, but most of all save you a lot of money. Come join us as we take you through many projects that you're going to find unbelievably easy, but most of all save you real money. How to flat miter cut. Flat miter cuts are primarily used for casing around doors and windows. There are different angles. Once again, because of various cuts in the house, you may need different angles on certain jobs. But for the most part, for around normal doors and windows, you're going to do 45-degree cuts. We are going to set our miter saw at 45 degrees. And then we're going to set it to the opposite 45 degrees to ensure they join together. One of the most difficult aspects of doing flat miter cuts is that sometimes you can get confused on where the miter should go. But after you cut both miters at 45 degrees, they should form a perfect joint. Next, we're going to show you how to do a mitered angle cut, which is primarily used to cut moldings on 45-degree angles to keep the profiles matching vertically. Typically, these cuts are used for crown moldings, bases, and chair rails. We're going to first make a 45-degree right-hand miter cut. The saw is then reversed, and we're going to make a 45-degree left-hand cut. And now you know how to put base in your new home. What do you do when you cut base molding and it doesn't fit right in the corners? Sometimes the molding can be out, or sometimes the molding can be in. And the reason that happens is the corner is not square. At that point, you have to use a coping saw and make a special cut on the molding. The thin blade on the coping saw allows you to make very delicate curved cuts. Very important though, you take your time. After we make the inside corner cut, we're going to take our coping saw and follow the profile of the pattern to make a cut. After you have coated the molding, it will then fit into the other molding, and as it moves in and out, it can be adjusted, and a little caulk can generally fix that right up. If you enjoyed this quick and easy project, and for more information on this video or other projects, be sure to contact flhome.supply. Until next time, we will see you around the house.